Hey guys, this is a video on the Starship in Stormworks. So yeah, I'll just show you guys how to fly the thing and how to use it. This is my first time flying it, so I don't know what to expect. I'm gonna go a little bit more forward, drive up a little bit, just to get in the middle of this area. Okay. Deploy Starship. Open gate. Okay. Alright, so this is, oh what? Oh, it's good. I thought it was gonna tip over on me. Okay, jump over that. And, oh, there's a door right here, okay. Refueling hatch. Oh, dang, that's cool. Wait, what? Fire extinguisher. Oh, welding torch, that's cool. Oh, I do it here. Alright, then I'm gonna open the door up. That's cool. Alright. Emergency exit. Oh, I have to. Okay, sleeping room, medical room, toilet right here. Oh, stop. Okay. Private room here. Wait. Crap. Probably the same thing in all three rooms. Alright, this is the area that you'll fly. Alright. It told me to hold it, so I'm holding it. Oh, I gotta enter the landing coordinates. I'll put in something random. Alright, so I've taken off already. So yeah, it's cool. Oh, my character is getting a bit cold. Is there, because there are some ships that have like, what's it called? Some clothing item. So I was wondering if these had like the cold weather clothes. I think that's what it's called in the game. So yeah. outside view. Looks like a pretty wobbly spaceship here. Alright. Where are we going, though? Oh, our engines died, though. This is kinda weird. It's fun. What the fuck is the APU? Oh, heaters. I'll heat my character up. Because the character is a bit cold. Get myself one of these just in case I go into water, so I can use this to give my player oxygen just in case he goes underwater. Because when he goes underwater, he can't stay underwater for long, so he holds his breath. Oh, okay, definitely going in the water. I'm gonna see you. Oh. I don't know how to get out of this situation. Alright, so I'll just teleport back to where I came from, I think. Over here, yeah. So yeah, that was a showcase and a flight of the Starship in Stormworks. So yeah, I gave kind of like a brief overview of what's inside and how to fly it and all that. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. So yeah, bye guys.